a 10 or 15 minute ride. We originally planned on taking the bus, but a taxi approached us and offered to give us the same price as the bus with another couple. So it was 4 of us total in this taxi for 200 pesos per person, which we checked and said that was the same price as the bus. So we took a taxi, we got here a little bit faster, and we waited in line to get in. The line was very long, but it was very quick. And it's 800 pesos per person, and now we're about to figure out how to get in.
I'm a simple man, don't want a complication.
Alright, so we got to the train station to go into the park, but apparently we need to get another ticket that we have to get printed. But the guy at this train station told us that there's another one. If we go about 100 meters back and then go to the left, he said it's about 6 blocks, but the train comes there every 15 minutes or so. And he said right now for that train where we were at that station, it would take probably an hour, which I don't think they really told him, but we'll see. So right now we are walking to the next station and we'll see what happens. To the second train station, but our plan was to walk the Superior Trail, which is the one above the falls, and then the Inferior Trail, which is the one below the falls, and it was only 200 meters away from the train station, so we just decided to start that for the walk. It's supposed to take about 2 hours, so we'll see how long it actually takes us, but we'll update you along the way. Spot here. Okay, so we are now at our first section where we can see some of the falls. So really excited. We just started though, not even a couple minutes. I'll show you. See back there, you can see some of the falls and everything. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so we are just about an hour in almost now. We're actually on the way back. So we got to see all the waterfalls and everything. I'm sure I've showed you that by now. But now we're just kind of on the way back to the beginning of the trail. Then we'll grab something to eat. And then we have another trail we're gonna hop on from there. Alright, so we just got done eating and now we are on our way back to the yellow trail, which is the inferior trail, so the lower section of the falls. So yeah, food was...
It wasn't expensive.
It wasn't expensive at least.
It wasn't good,
but it wasn't great. They have like empanadas and burgers and fries and stuff like that. There is another restaurant that we didn't go to, so we're not sure what exactly is in there. But all in all, at least it wasn't expensive like most people said. It's more expensive than, you know, if you're outside the park, but it's definitely not, you know, if you've ever been to like Six Flags, Disney World type expensive. In any event, we'll give you an update once we get to the bottom of the fall. So we just got done with the inferior trail. It was beautiful. I would say that the pictures aren't going to do it justice. Like, it was incredible. So definitely worth coming to see. Just in case you're wondering, no, I didn't get wet. I'm just sweating like that. It's pretty humid out here. So that's just the FYI. You don't get wet on any of the trails that we did. I don't know if it's the weather or not. Obviously, it didn't rain today in the video, but otherwise it was beautiful. So definitely worth checking out. Right now we're headed to the Devil's Throat, which is a really big waterfall. It's like a 1.7 kilometer walk one way, I think. But we're getting close now. We had to take the train up here. That's the only way to get up here. You can't like hike up or anything. But we will show you when we get to the waterfall. To the city center. Don't mind the sweat, but all in all, it was a good trip out to the park. So tomorrow we are going to go over to the Brazil side. Well, we're gonna go over to Falls de Iguazu, which is the city that is over on the Brazil side, and then we'll probably take a day to chill and then head to the Brazil side the next day. So we'll catch you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Peace.